Hey there! Welcome to the Ultimate Zero Experience Required Guide to Coding. If you have ever wanted to build your own corner of the internet but had no idea where to start, you are where you need to be. Look at the screen right now. Over the course of this playlist, we are going to build this exact interactive personal portfolio website completely from scratch. It got a clean profile layout, links to your socials, working project filters, and check this out, a fully functional dark mode toggle. Now, if looking at code right now feels like a foreign language, don't panic. By the end of this short series, you won't just understand code. You will be the one writing code. We are going to run the big three ingredients that make up every single website on Earth. That is HTML or hypertext markup language. A skeleton, it's the bricks, the wood, and it puts text and images on the screen. This is the HTML I'm talking about. It brings these buttons on the web page, this text, everything you see on the web page. With no HTML, there is no web page. Secondly, we have CSS or cascading style sheets. This plays the role of the interior design and it's the paint, the wallpaper, and the furniture. It makes everything look beautiful and organized. It's the one that determines that if we are on a computer screen, if we are on a tablet screen, we should be like this, no overlapping content. Lastly, we have JavaScript. It's the electricity and the plumbing. It makes things actually work, like our dark mode switch or the interactive buttons. To keep things super simple, my screen is split into two. On the left, I will be typing the code, and on the right, you will be seeing exactly how code changes in the website in real time. You will get this IDE from my website by logging in to Google and typing jota-deweys.work. Going to the apps page, then in the desktop apps on JP IDE, so that we will be working together. It will be a standard exe file that does not require any installation. Just download and double click to open the IDE. In our next lesson, we are going to set up our files and write your first official line of code. See you there.